The operators and passengers test evaluates the correct functioning of the CxDC during CPS startup, operator and passenger pairing, passenger transport, and both expected and unexpected passenger exit scenarios. During this test, interventions from the CxD system will be applied to all test vehicles. There are 7 stages during this test. During the first stage, one pedestrian warning system will be placed inside test vehicle 1 to simulate an unpaired operator. In stage 2, the operator pedestrian warning system must pair as operator. In stage 3, 10 pedestrian warning systems will approach test vehicle 1. In stage 4, all 10 pedestrian warning systems must pair as passengers. In stage 5, test vehicle 2 approaches test vehicle 1 at 5 km/h. In the last 2 stages, the passenger becomes a pedestrian when exiting test vehicle 1. In stage 6, a passenger will exit test vehicle 1 while test vehicle 1 has operator stop enabled. In stage 7, a passenger will exit test vehicle 1 while test vehicle 1 has normal operation enabled.